Hi, I am going to explain Edexcel AS Level January 2023 S1 Statistics 1 question paper. I am going to particularly explain question number 6 because it is an interesting question, tricky, 14 marks. If you understand this question, you can solve any question in correlation regression line chapter. Let us dive into the question. Before that, I introduce myself. My name is Sheikh Khadar. I have been 30 years math tutor, last 17 years in Qatar. I am taking lessons in all curriculums, Edexcel, Cambridge, IB, AP, and I am taking lessons to university students to teach calculus 1 and 2. Now take the question back. A research student is investigating the maximum weight y grams of sugar that will dissolve in 100 grams of water at various temperature x degree, where x is greater than or equal to 10 or less than or equal to 80. The research student calculated the regression line of y on x and found it to be y equal to 151.2 plus 2.72x. Okay. Question number A. Give an interpretation of the gradient of the regression line. What is the equation? Y equal to 2.72x plus 151.2. This is similar to y equal to mx plus c. The gradient is 2.72. What is meant by the gradient? Rise over run. So, an increase of 1 degree will allow to dissolve 2.72 grams of sugar. 2.72 over 1 is 2.72 gradient. I hope you got it. Part B. Use the regression line to estimate the maximum weight of sugar that will dissolve in 100 grams of water when the temperature is 90 degree. Just a simple substitute 90 degree in place of x. Substitute 90 degree. Y equal to 2.72 times 90 plus 151.2. The value is, if you calculate, you will get 396. See, comment on the reliability of your estimate. Give me a reason for your answer. What is the reliability? It is unreliable. Why? Because 90 degrees is above the range. The range is 10 to 80 only. They have given the range. Okay, question number D. Now we come to the important question. So that our product movement correlation coefficient for this data is 0.988. They have given the data sigma y equal to 3119, sigma y squared 851,093, sigma x squared 24,500, n is equal to 12. Okay. Now first we will see what is our, now give all the regression line formulas. What is our product movement correlation coefficient? R equal to Sxy over square root of Sxx times Syy. What is Sxy? Sigma xy minus sigma x times sigma y over n. What is Sxx? Sigma x squared minus square of sigma x over n. What is Syy? Sigma y squared minus square of sigma y over n. Right? Now we have to find R and we have to prove that it is 0.988. First we will take Syy. Why? Because sigma y squared minus sigma y n, the data is given. Very easy to find out. Just to substitute all the values. Syy. What is sigma y squared? 851093. minus sigma y is 3119 square over n is 12. 4012.9166. Okay. Since they asked the 3 decimal places, in every step you find till 4 decimal places. Okay. SYY we easily found out. SXX. SXX, what is the problem? SXX, what is the problem? We don't know sigma x. Not we don't know, they have not given. Sigma x value, they have not given. How to find the sigma x? We know that y equal to a plus bx, this regression line. Okay, I will write from the page. Here what is that? Y equal to 151.2 plus 2.72x. That means a is 151.2, b is 2.72 over 1. Second is, now our task is to find the sigma x. For that only we are working now. Now second is, what is a? We know that y bar minus bx bar. This is okay. Now a given, b given, y bar you can find out. Y bar is sigma y over n. Sigma y is 3119 over 12. Now x bar, this I am rearranging the equation. Bx bar coming this side is equal to y bar minus a. X bar, y bar minus a over b. This is the equation we found out for x bar. X bar is y bar minus, y bar is 3119 over 12 minus a is 151.2, b is 2.72. You just calculate, you will get it 39.9693. Then sigma x is x bar times n. 39.9693 times 12, 479.6323. So now for product moment correlation, what is the formula? SXY square root of SXX SYY. SYY we found out very easily. SXX we found out. SXY we need to find out. What is the SXY formula? Sigma xy SXY sigma xy minus sigma x times sigma y over n. Sigma x we know, we calculated sigma y, they have given n given, but sigma xy they have not given in anywhere. So how to find out? There is another one method is, this is the second trick. B equal to SXY over SXX. B we know 2.72. SXY. SXX we know 479.6323. Just calculate SXY equal to 2.72 times 479.6323. 14495.9693. Okay. Now R you can easily find out. R is equal to 14495.9693 divided by 5329. This is the SXX value, 5329.4005, and SYY value 40412. 0.9166. The value, if you calculate, it is 0.9876, 0.988. I hope you got it completely. Question number D. It is a tricky question in two ways. They have not given sigma x, so you are finding with the A equal to y bar minus b x bar. Then you are finding x bar, then from the x bar you are finding sigma x. This is the one. The second one is SXY. They have not given sigma xy. So you are finding with the help of B equal to SXY over SXX. So we know, you know B, you know SXX. So with that you are finding SXY, right? Discuss the suitability of the linear regression model to describe the relationship between x and y. They have given one diagram. In that, dots, x and y dots are looks to the straight line. The points lie reasonably close to the straight line. So it is a suitable for regression model. And another one is the result is 0.988. That is, it is closer to 1. If it is closer to 1, positive regression line. If it is negative to 1, closer to -1, it will be a negative regression line. So it is suitable for regression model. Thank you for watching it. Watch my other videos. Learn it. Bye. Just I summarize the questions what we have discussed. We have seen January 2023 Statistics 1 questions. Question A, y equal to 151.2 plus 2.72 times x. Give an interpretation of the gradient of the regression line. Y equal to 151.2 plus 2.72 x is in the form of y equal to mx plus c. M is equal to 2.72. M is rise over run. Rise is 2.72. Run is 1. An increase of 1 degree centigrade will allow 2.72 gram to dissolve. Question 6b. Use the regression line to estimate the maximum weight of sugar that will dissolve in 100 grams of water when the temperature is 90 degree. Actually, they have given the range where we will go there. Y equal to 151.2 plus 2.72 times x. So in place of x, you substitute 90 degree. So it will be 396. Question 6c. Comment on reliability of your estimate, giving a reason for your answer. They have given range x is equal to greater than 10 and less than 80. But it is 90 degree, so it is out of the range, so it is unreliable. 90 degrees out of the range. Question 6d. They have given some data so that PMCC R equal to 0.988. We will see the data. Before that, list out all the formulas of regression line. Y equal to a plus bx, a equal to y bar minus bx bar, y bar equal to sigma y over n, x bar equal to sigma x over n, b equal to sxy over sxx, sx is equal to sigma x squared minus square of sigma x over n, syy sigma y squared minus square of sigma y over n, sxy sigma xy minus sigma x times sigma y over n. Given the data, y equal to 151.2 plus 2.72x. This is in the form of y equal to a plus bx. So a is equal to 151.2, b equal to 2.72, sigma y squared, sigma x squared, n. This data they have given in the questions. You can see in the questions. Okay. Now we will solve the question. What is our PMCC? What is the formula? Sxy over square root of sx times xyy. Syy first we will find, because all the data are given. Sigma y squared minus square of sigma y over n. Sigma y squared is given, sigma y is given, and n is 12. If you substitute 40412.91666, we are finding till 4 decimal places, because they ask the result in 3 decimal places. If they ask the result in 3 decimal places, you have to find 4 decimal places, one more. Sxx equal to sigma x squared minus square of sigma x over n. Sigma x squared they have given, n is given, but sigma x is not given. So we cannot find. But we can find x bar. X bar equal to sigma x over n. If we find x bar, then we can find sigma x bar times n. How we can find x bar? A equal to y bar minus b x bar. B, I am rearranging. B x bar equal to y bar minus a, x bar equal to y bar minus a over b. I am substituting all the values. 3109 over 12 minus 151.2 divided by 2.72 will give 39.9693, and if it is multiplied by n, we will get sigma x 479.6323. So sxx, I am substituting sigma x values. I am getting 5329.4005. So now sxx we found, syy we found, sxy we have to find. Sxy, what is the formula? Sigma xy minus sigma x times sigma y over n. Sigma xy data is not given, so it is difficult to find sxy in this formula. So what is the other formula to find b equal to sxy over sxx? Sxy equal to b times sxx, 2.72 times 5329.40005. If you do it, 14495.9693. If you substitute all these values, r equal to sxy over square root of sxx times syy, you will get to 0.9876.988. We have proven. We have proved. 6c, they have given one graph in the next page. They are telling with reference to the scatter diagram and the correlation coefficient, discuss the suitability of the linear regression model to describe the relationship between x and y. Okay, we will come there. This is the graph they have given. You can see all these dotted lines are closer to one straight line. So it supports linear regression model. It supports linear regression model for 2 reasons. The points lie close to the straight line. Then the second is r equal to 0.988, close to 1. When so it supports linear regression model. When x is 0, y is 151.2. Okay, when x increases, y will increase 2.72 times of x. Thank you. I hope you have understood the questions. For any doubts, you can contact me. My mobile number +974 6689 6379. Thank you for watching my video. Keep growing.